Hello everyone. So this is muscles base casein, micellar casein. It says micellar casein, and it's 1 kg. Seems quite heavy, and casein is a type of a protein, by the way. It's a white material due to which your milk looks white. So if you can't have protein through animal source, you can use it. By the way, it's my personal review. I haven't used it earlier, so ये first time इसको मैं use करूँगा. And here are the particulars. Everything is written here. For checking authenticity, they have they have given the number here, so you can check authenticity as well. And by the way, a doctor prescribed me this brand. I used earlier creatine for this brand, but I didn't find that well. Creatine इसका अच्छा नहीं था, उससे मेरे बाल झड़ रहे थे, तो I stopped using that. But I think this is a different thing. It's essentially for meeting protein requirement, and people can take it during night with warm water or milk, however you like. And it comes with flavor, of course. Mine is chocolate flavor. I couldn't find anything without flavor, though it says sugar free. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will let you know after sometimes its effect on body. Thank you, and please like and subscribe. Have a good day.